Hey guys, I just got the next prototype for the nap hat in and I couldn't wait to show you. So forgive my mess. I've been working on a number of projects, but just had to take a minute to open this up together so you guys can see where we're at on the nap hat. Usually carry a knife with me, but I never seem to have it when I need it. And 2 samples. Now I sent these over as soon as I could because we have Chinese New Year coming up. And I'm really hoping that we can get these into production sooner than later. It might be getting a little too late for Chinese New Year to start before then, but we have already started ordering materials. There it is. The nap hat. Got this liner here. Let me show you some of the details. Logo looks good. The material, just as specified. I like it. Very clean overall. And we made a few changes. If you haven't noticed, this material for the eye mask is a little bit different. And the way that it lays is a little bit different. It's sewn a little bit different here, so it may look a little bit, it looks fairly similar, but you'll notice that the material is attached here. Also, see if I can show you. The elastic is encased. We've upgraded the elastic, so I'm very happy with that. It looks good. Only thing left is to try it on, so here goes. Okay, here's the hat with the eye mask on. We've lost the extra fabric here. Got a little tiny bit of light that leaks in through here, but when you close your eyes, you really can't tell. It's quite comfortable. I like the material. Not bad. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer it with the freestanding eye mask, or did you like the fabric connecting the two? Also, the way it folds in is just slightly different. You'll notice it kind of, it folds over the elastic sweatband here. Last thing I haven't checked is how stretchy that elastic is. Okay, last thing I want to check, make sure that it's elastic on both sides. Last time, oh look, looks like they put this in probably temporarily because they had sewn it here, and I told them that the elastic actually has to extend on both sides. So I'm going to have to make sure that's clear. Let me try the other one. The other one might have already been done correctly. Yep. Oh, that one is. Looks like we just have that one final change to make. You know, we're getting really close, but they sewed the elastic here. I can feel that it extends further, but for some reason they just sewed it right here. So I'm just gonna make that final adjustment, send it back to them for mass production, and hopefully we can get these to you sooner than expected. Thanks again. Take care.